Ever opened your Raiz app and got that sinking feeling? Like something's off? Maybe it's not loading, or you're seeing outdated information. Or perhaps you've just heard whispers, is Raiz even still a thing? You're not alone. That question, is Raiz online bank no longer supported, is popping up more and more, and honestly, it's a valid one. Let's rewind a bit. Raiz, for those unfamiliar, carved out a niche by offering micro-investing. It was all about rounding up your daily purchases and investing the spare change. A simple, accessible way to dip your toes into the investment world, especially for those who felt intimidated by traditional stock markets. They touted ease of use, low barriers to entry, and a user-friendly interface. It was a hit, particularly with younger demographics looking for a simple savings and investment solution. But, like any tech-driven financial service, things change. The landscape of online banking and investment platforms is incredibly competitive. New players emerge, regulations shift, and user expectations evolve. So, what happened to Raiz? Why the sudden uncertainty? The core of the issue seems to be a shift in focus and, perhaps, a struggle to maintain its original momentum. Raiz has been expanding its offerings, moving beyond just roundups and into more traditional investment products. While diversification is generally a good thing, it can dilute the original appeal. For many, Raiz was synonymous with simplicity. As they've added more complex investment options, the core roundup feature, which was their claim to fame, seems to have taken a back seat. Secondly, and this is crucial, the competitive landscape has exploded. Other platforms have popped up offering similar or even better features, often at lower fees. This has put pressure on Raiz to compete, and it's unclear if they've managed to adapt effectively. We've seen other platforms offering better user interfaces, more diverse investment options, and lower management fees. Another contributing factor is the way customer support has been perceived. Many users have reported difficulties getting timely responses to queries. When you're dealing with your finances, even small delays or lack of clarity can be incredibly frustrating. This can lead to a loss of trust and ultimately a decline in user engagement. Now, to be clear, Raiz is not officially shutting down. They are still operating. But the question isn't necessarily about outright closure. It's more about whether the service is still fulfilling its original promise and whether it's maintaining its competitive edge. Are the updates and changes truly benefiting the users, or are they causing confusion and frustration? The truth is, the answer is complex and depends on individual user needs. If you're a longtime Raiz user who appreciates the broader range of investment options, you might still find value in the platform. However, if you were drawn to Raiz for its simplicity and ease of use, you might be looking elsewhere. It's always important to do your own research and consider your own financial goals when choosing an investment platform. Don't just rely on hearsay or online speculation. Look at the fees, the investment options, the user interface, and most importantly, the customer support. Compare Raiz to other platforms and see which one best suits your needs. The digital financial space is constantly evolving, and what was once a revolutionary platform can quickly become outdated. The key is to stay informed, adapt to changes, and prioritize your own financial well-being. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.